so it's been interesting having sound as my basis, being a musician, starting out playing the saxophone, well, really the flute, and then no guys were doing it, so I did the saxophone. But having that established as my artistic medium, and then almost digressing from that, flowing into visual art, and then once graduating with my degree, having this new field of movement kind of take over. And now I'm finding it really hard to manage and balance all three. It's just kind of like this trifecta where you're constantly pinged from each one, but they subtly remind you of what you learned or what your passion was previously with that medium. But specifically within movement, sound becomes such an essential thing, this sound and noise. And so it's bringing me back to where I first started with my mediums and relighting this passion for music collaboration and both myself as a musician and mover, and that kind of like that duality with it. The interesting thing now that I have the opportunity to do is the collaboration coming up with Karima Walker. And so it's a little taste of these improv sessions that we've structured very loosely so that we don't really have parameters. She's collecting sound just as she would and not really setting anything specific on me. So it's this very natural process, whereas I'm just improving with movement and seeing if anything sticks on like ambient noise in the background. And based on those collections, she's stripping them away from all the excess noise or using the excess noise itself, and then toying with it and abstracting it to see what this soundscape and what this composition looks like. Now, my experience with sound is very self-produced. Like, I don't really have any electronic basis with it, but hers is all with like reverb and sound manipulation within the computer. And so this has been an extremely rewarding process. I was blown away.